In looking at how to assemble strings, we've looked at concatenation, string.format, and interpolation as ways to assemble various string components into one string. There's a fourth way, and that is to use an instance of the StringBuilder class. And I want to show this to you now because you look at other code, you will probably see this used elsewhere, and I don't want you to be confused. I primarily use interpolation. However, there's some advantages of the StringBuilder class, particularly in working with large amounts of data and doing repetitions, that causes it to be more memory efficient. Well, let's take a look. In our sample project, we've taken the first name and favorite sport and created a message box with a prompt done by concatenated string, another one done with string.format, same prompt, and a third one with interpolation. And here's our fourth one in which we use the StringBuilder. Let's take a look at how I did that with StringBuilder. StringBuilder is a class, and we create an instance of that class by calling new StringBuilder and passing it our initial string. So here I dim strBuild as StringBuilder. We can treat the class as a data type equals new StringBuilder. This is called our constructor. We'll talk about that much further down the road. And we're going to give it our initial string, my name is, with a space. Now I've got that object sitting out there, and I can manipulate that object with methods. And particularly here, we're going to use the append method. So I can say strBuild, that's the name of my object. I'm going to append to that object the value of fn, first name. Then I'm going to append to it my literal string and my favorite sport is, with some spaces on both sides of that. Then I'm going to append to that, again, the value of sport. And here I actually combined a little concatenation with it, sport and my literal string of a period. So we can use concatenation in string.format or interpolation as part of our append strings if we so wanted. That builds my object called strBuild. Now that is not a string. So in my message box, I need, for the prompt when I show, I need to take strBuild and convert that to a string using the .toString method. And then my title is StringBuilder string. Now it seems like a little bit more work to do this, and I suppose it is. You have to append a bunch of stuff here. We've got a pretty long string. It is more efficient when we're using large amounts of data and we're iterating through that data with a repetition loop, and it can also allow us to do faster processing. When we're concatenating, it's building several strings in memory with each concatenation. Here we're building one object in memory. That's why it's more efficient. However, for the types of things we'll do in this course, for most of our applications, you'll probably see me use interpolation and concatenation more so than StringBuilder. But again, I just want you to be aware of it. As you look at the code of others, you will see it. It's pretty popular out there now. And it is, again, going back to object-oriented programming, where we're creating an object of an instance of our StringBuilder class. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.